Today we're going to talk about something that we're all going to be getting into, especially with the spring warm weather coming up, but gardening. And if you've ever ended up making 5 trips back to the shed for tools, you'll understand why I like this WORKPRO Garden Tool Bag. What stood out to me right away is how many pockets it has. There are 10 different spots to organize things like pruning shears, gloves, small hand tools, plant tags, and even a spray bottle. So instead of rolling around a bucket, tools being scattered everywhere, everything actually has a place. This bag also has a wide mouth opening. That one's huge for me. You can easily see and grab what you need without having to dig around. It also stands up on its own. This right here was the golden star for me, which makes it really convenient when you set it down in the garden while working because you're not having to constantly pick it up and search through it. It stays upright and open. Another nice feature is the adjustable shoulder strap, so you can carry it hands-free if you're walking around the yard or moving from flower beds to the garden. We were sent this one to test out, and overall it's a really practical organizer if you garden regularly. It keeps your tools together, easy to carry, and saves you from constantly running back to grab something that you forgot.